Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow's hierarchy of needs is a psychological theory developed by Abraham Maslow in 1943. It's a motivational theory that outlines 5 levels of human needs, often depicted as a pyramid. The basic idea is that individuals must satisfy lower-level needs before they can progress to higher-level ones. Here's a breakdown of the levels. From the bottom of the pyramid to the top. Physiological needs. These are the most basic needs for survival, including food, water, shelter, sleep, warmth, air. If these needs are not met, the body cannot function properly. Safety needs. Once physiological needs are met, safety needs become important. These include security, stability, protection from physical and emotional harm, financial security, health and well-being, love and belonging needs. After safety needs are met, individuals seek love and belonging. These needs involve friendship, intimacy, family, a sense of connection and belonging, esteem needs. Once individuals feel a sense of belonging, they strive for esteem. This includes self-esteem, feeling good about oneself, respect from others, recognition, achievement, self-actualization needs. At the top of the pyramid is self-actualization, which represents the desire to achieve one's full potential. This involves creativity, problem-solving, personal growth, morality, acceptance of facts. Key points. Hierarchical structure. The theory suggests that lower-level needs must be met before higher-level needs become motivators. Motivation. Maslow's theory helps explain what motivates human behavior. Application. It has applications in various fields, including psychology, education, business, and marketing. Criticisms. While influential, the theory has faced criticisms, including the idea that the hierarchy is not always rigid and that individuals can pursue higher-level needs even when lower-level needs are not fully met. Maslow's hierarchy of needs provides a valuable framework for understanding human motivation and behavior.